live! One notice, long live! Gokburok is your mother tongue. Our language is our culture. Our language is our identity. We call it mother tongue because we revere our language. Anybody who wants to erase our language, wants to erase our culture and our identity, till the very last drop of our blood, we will stand for our language. Gokburok Zindabad! In Meghalaya, in Mizoram, in Nagaland, we didn't come from a language which had a script. We come from oral tradition. Our ancestors spoke and our ancestors kept our word. Today, in Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, we use the Roman script for our exams in the school. Because it is our state. Because it belongs to the indigenous people of this region. Therefore, when somebody denies you your right to use your language and any script that you want, they are trying to finish, to erase and to destroy your culture. We will stand up against them. Gokburok Zindabad! Therefore, I thought about it and I know why Bubagra says Greater Tripura land. I support Greater Tripura land. Greater Tripura land, Zindabad! Your people, the Tripura people, are kind people, are generous people. You have offered your food when there was famine. You have offered your palaces when their poets want to write poetry. Your people have offered them shelter when they were chased away from their own land. Today, the very people you sheltered are trying to oppress every right of the Tripura people, and we cannot take it. I tell you, the entire indigenous community of the Northeast stands with you. I repeat this, I've said this in one rally in Delhi, when David Mura Singh walked thousands and thousands of kilometers to tell the whole of India about the oppression that your people are suffering. Therefore, we have all come from other parts of Northeast to tell you, you are not alone. We are all with you. Anybody who oppresses the Tripura people will be provoking the entire Northeast, entire indigenous community of Northeast. We will stand with you, we will rise with you, and we will achieve our goal with you. I, as a Naga, am inspired, humbled by all of you, our sisters, our mothers, our brothers, Tripura people. Your spirit of fighting has fired the entire Northeast. I want to salute you once again. Tripura people, Zindabad, long live Tripura people. I want to quote two people before I end my speech. One, Michael Jackson said, all I want to say is they don't really care about us. Delhi does not care about us. We shall stand for our rights till our last breath. Again, to conclude, I want to encourage you with a quote from Gabbar Singh. Gabbar Singh, ye ke kar gaya, jo dar gaya wo mar gaya. We will not be afraid. We will stand together. Tripura Zindabad! Bubagra Zindabad! One Northeast Zindabad! Kondai Samaji Zindabad! Northeast Zindabad! Thank you.